Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab meat sauce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of quality crab meat, either fresh or frozen. Next, prepare your aromatics. Finely chop 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper. Finally, ensure you have 2 cups of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of dry white wine, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste on hand. Now, let's start cooking. Heat a large skillet over medium heat with a tablespoon of olive oil. Add your chopped garlic, onion, and bell peppers, sautéing them until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook for 2 minutes to deepen its flavor. Then, pour in 1/2 cup of dry white wine to deglaze the pan, scraping up any brown bits. Once deglazed, add 2 cups of chicken broth to the pan and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Now, it's time for the star ingredient. Gently fold in your 1 pound of crab meat. Season with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. Let the sauce simmer uncovered for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To finish, taste the sauce and adjust any seasonings as needed. Stir in a handful of fresh, chopped parsley or basil for a vibrant finish. This rich and flavorful crab meat sauce is perfect served over your favorite pasta, rice, or even crusty bread. It's a simple yet elegant dish that's sure to impress. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.